Good morning, sir. I am Maunika. I am from first year BTech CSE D section. Now my topic is program on function without arguments and with return type. Introduction to functions. Functions are fundamental building blocks in programming. They allow for code reuse and modular programming. Understanding different types of functions is essential for effective coding. What is a function? A function is a block of code designed to perform a specific task. Functions can take inputs as arguments and may return outputs as return types. However, some functions do not require inputs or outputs for their operation. Definition of a function without arguments. A function without arguments does not take any input parameters. This type of function operates independently of external data passed to it. Such functions can be useful for tasks that don't need specific input values. Definition of a function with return type. Function may return a value. The return type is the data type of the value the function returns. Some functions perform the desired operations without returning a value. In this case, the return type is the keyword void. Function name. This is the actual name of the function. Syntax of a function without arguments and with return type. Integer function name. Here function name is the name of the function. Integer is the data type. It doesn't take any parameters through it. Between braces there is a function body. The function without arguments and with return values. The syntax. Function declaration. Integer function. Here the function is the name of the function. Integer is the data type. It doesn't take any parameters. Function call. Function definition. Integer function. Between braces there is statements and return a. When we call return, it goes to the function call. Example of a function without arguments and with return type. Program to find factorial of a given number. Using functions. Source code #include stdio.h void main long factorial long fact equals to factorial. It is the function call. When we call a function, it goes to the function definition. Here printf /n factorial is %d fact long factorial. It is the function definition. When we call a function, it comes to the function definition. The statements under the long function definition are applied and it will again goes to the function call. Below that statement below the function call is finally executed. The statements below the function definition are long f equals to 1, integer num, comma I, printf enter a number to find a factorial, scanf %d ampersand num. For I equals to 1, I less than or equals to num, I plus plus, f is equals to f into I, return f. When we return, it goes to the function call and printf, the statement is printf /n factorial %d is displayed. Output enter a number to find factorial 8. Factorial of 8 is 40320. Advantages of functions without arguments and with return type. Parameters and return values allow students to write programs that are more organized and cleaner. Naming functions helps students write programs that read more like a description of what they do. And they also help students reuse code. Conclusion. Functions without arguments and with return values serve specific programming needs. They enhance modularity and can simplify code structure. Understanding their role helps in writing cleaner and more efficient programs. Thank you, sir.